Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I am making a video today because I haven't been able to go live in 2 or 3 weeks. It's been crazy, lots of things going on, and today is a special day. Miss Lippy, and y'all can check her out here on YouTube, Miss Lippy, sent me my Christmas present early. Now, I've been having to look at a box for almost 2 weeks. She said I could open it early if I needed to, but I've been looking at a box. So, we opened the box today, and I'm really excited because I wanted to share with y'all what she sent me. I have not seen this before, but look at this. It is a gardening tool advent calendar. It says, open a new door each day and bring the joy of gardening to your holiday season. This advent calendar reveals 12 essential gardening tool accessories crafted with durable metal heads and soft grip handles in a festive purple fashion. Plant, prune, and nurture your space one day at a time. All right, so the company is Leapio. Leapio. I don't know, but isn't that cool? All right, so I'm going to turn you around so you can see what I see as I open it, because I hadn't opened it yet. Okay, so we're going to see if we can do this. Let's see. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you open it. Wow. It says, let me turn you up. Merry Christmas. All right, then it has a 1 on here, so I'm figuring day 1, this is what we'll open. Then inside you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a 7 here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be opening this on December 1st, or I'm supposed to wait until, closer to, let me put it where y'all can see that. When you pick this one up, there's a box for 12 days. So, I think it's pretty cute. It's really looking nice. I'm not sure what's in each one. This one is soft, and I can see something here, but we'll get to that in just a moment. It doesn't really give it away. I mean, it really doesn't. I'm figuring at some point they might be gloves, spades, scissors. I don't see boots, but now maybe. I mean, how are you going to get boots in here? There's a pail, flowers. So maybe there's seeds. There's different insects. Now, I don't know if there's maybe some cute insect and flower things, or maybe some seeds. I don't know. I'm guessing. But today, we're going to open number 1. All right, so number 1. We're going to see what this is. That will give us an idea of the next 12 days. Ha! I love it. I love it. I love it. I did not guess this. So, if you're not figuring it out yet, let's see if I've got a way to open something here. And I guess this should have been one of the things I should have thought of right off the bat. But I did not. And I love purple. And purple's Lucy's color. I'm going to have to fight Lucy because she's a purple girl. We started out purple. This is awesome. This is a bag with all the pouches, I'm assuming, to hold everything that's going to be in here. It is lined inside. Not sure if there's any inside pockets. No, all the pockets are on the outside, and they're deep pockets. And I'm loving purple, y'all. Miss Lippy chose well, didn't she? So, if you're thinking, and I don't know if it's too late to order something like this, because there's only 12 of them. If you get it and get it to your special person by, the 12th? They can open something every day from the 12th to the 24th. That would be awesome. But me, I'm going to open something at least every 3 to 4 days. And when I do, I will open it in front of y'all. We'll do a quick video showing what it is. But today, Miss Lippy, you chose well. The color is awesome. It's beautiful. And I have a new tote for whatever else is available in this Advent box. And y'all, I've seen some cute Advent boxes. I've looked at them online. When Miss Lippy told me, she didn't tell me what she got me. She just told me about her daughters. And she said she had gotten her an Advent calendar for her birthday. And look at this. The possibilities are endless. Endless. And something to put them all in, that is awesome. So check out Advent calendars. I guess you could type in, like if you're interested in books, you could type in Advent calendar books, something like that. And possibly the person you send it to would get a new book each day. Or you could, I mean, I don't know. I've not tried that one. If you're interested in soaps, I know I did see some like bath soaps, spices. Let's see, what else? Candies. I think there's Advent candies. I did see the Nativity. Now, if I had to choose one for like my grandkids or something, I would probably choose the Nativity. So each day they build on the Nativity scene. It is awesome. So guys, if you're interested, go check out on Amazon. I'll try to have an Amazon link, but probably not to this one. I don't know where she got this one. Well, it was Amazon because it was Amazon box. I'll try to link this one if I can find it in the description below. And you guys have a wonderful day. And this way you get Christmas several times a year. And I'm excited because I'm anxious to build on this. Today was the bag. In a few days, look for another video. We're going to see what number 2 is. Y'all have a good day.